Boneless ribeye, seasoned to perfection. Garlic and thyme. Don't forget the butter, some olive oil. That's when you know the pot's hot. Time to cook the steak. For 2 minutes on this side.
Place the pot.
Look at that seared. I like mine medium well, so well done. Turn off the stove and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Get your butter, your thyme, your garlic ready, and turn back on your pot. Hopefully you kept some of that beef grease in there. Put your butter in. Wait till it gets foamy. Like that. Garlic in. Your steak back in. Put your thyme in. And now we baste the steak. Baste the steak. Try it. All done. Let's try the steak. That's some good stuff. Ribeye is all done. Let me know how I did. This is my second time making it. Watching videos on YouTube and TikTok is where I got my knowledge from. It's so good. Hope you enjoyed the video.